Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2010 Seat Cupra. Take you around the bodywork, take you inside and I'll point out any features along the way. So starting with the back left, got your rear parking sensors, your exhaust, starting left hand side now. Wheels are in perfect condition, good tread on the tyres. Left, front, top right, got your brand new around the car as well. Just the windscreen. Front right. Down the right hand side now. Back right wheel. Then you've got the Cupra logo on the back. Little racing flag. Boot space. So inside you've got your sport seats, again with more Cupra logo. So the back, all in good condition, no tears. So you've got your electric windows, your driver computer there, your steering wheel controls, cruise control, intermittent wipers, lights, some nice red trim around the Seat logo around here. Got your radio, aux, and you've got your climate control system. This weather is quite useful, that. Automatic gearbox with sport mode as well, and manual mode. If you're interested in booking a viewing of this vehicle, please give us a call on 07917 033 781. There's a 1 year warranty, 1 year's MOT, and 1 year's AA breakdown cover. Website is pay-with-car.com. You can find the advert with his pictures and more vehicle information on there as well, a bit more information about the company too. Hope to see you from you soon. Take care, goodbye.